In this video, I'm going to show you how to cash out on Z-League. But before we get started, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your Z-League account on the Z-League application. Now, in here, go ahead and head over to your profile by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. On your profile, go ahead and click on the settings icon, which you'll find at the right side of this. Now in here, to be able to cash out your total balance on Z-League, scroll down and look for payment methods. Click on payment methods, and as you can see in here, you can only add credit card as your form of payment method or cashing out from Z-League. In here, you'll need to enter your credit card details such as your first name, last name, card number, expiration date, CVV, and your billing information such as your zip code and postal code along with your country. Once you're done, click on the add card button, and once you have this added to your account, you'll be able to find a cash out button under the wallet section, and you'll be able to cash out your earnings from Z-League. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.